Hello and welcome to Forbest Academy and welcome to our AMC 10 preparation videos for the 2021 contest. This week we're going to be breaking down 5 past paper questions from the AMC 10 and looking at the concepts involved and how to problem solve them. So today's first question, we're going to be looking at combination and the stars and bars method. So the question is, Pat is to select 6 cookies from a tray containing only chocolate chip, oatmeal, and peanut butter cookies. There are at least 6 of these 3 kinds of cookies on the tray. How many different assortments of the 6 cookies can be selected? So we know there's at least 6 of each of those, so it means there's no limit to how many cookies we can select. We can select 6 of one and none of the others if we wanted to. So let's have a think about how this works. And the way I'd approach this question is I'm going to imagine my 6 cookies. So we're going to draw those out as just some circles. So we've got 6 cookies here. We haven't decided what flavors they are yet. And the way we're going to do this is we need to split these cookies up into 3 groups. One of them is the group of the number of chocolate chip cookies we've got. One of them is the number of the oatmeal cookies we've got, and one of them is the number of the peanut butter cookies we've got. Now, the way we're going to split these up is essentially we're going to put in 2 bars. So we're going to put in 2 bars there and there, which will split up this into 3 groups. So the only question we need to ask is how many ways are there for me to place these 2 bars to split them up into 3 groups? And the way we do that is we think about how many gaps we have. So on this question here, we've got a gap in front of this one here, a gap 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 here, and a gap here. We have to have those gaps on either end because it is possible for us to have no peanut butter cookies. So the way we're thinking about this is our group on the far right is going to be our chocolate chip cookies. Our group in the middle is going to be our oatmeal cookies. And our group on the right-hand side is going to be our peanut butter cookies. So we know that we can have 0 peanut butter cookies and we can have 0 chocolate chip cookies as well. So we need to have gaps either side of that end cookie. And what we're going to ask is how many ways are there to place 2 bars into 7 different gaps. And the way we do that is we're going to do 7 choose 2. Now we can either use our calculator for this, which would be type in 7 choose 2, or if we want to use our calculator, we want to use the method. The way you're doing that would be 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 factorial times by 2 factorial. And that will give us the total number of ways to find how we can place 2 bars into 7 slots. So if we work out 7 choose 2, we get the answer of 21. Now, the problem is here is a lot of people will think that's our final answer. There's 21 places of putting these 2 bars. But the problem is we've looked at the possibility of getting 0 chocolate chip. We've looked at the possibility of getting 0 peanut butter. But when we've been placing these 2 bars, we've not looked at the possibility of getting 0 oatmeal. For that to happen, those 2 bars would have to be in the same place. So we have got another solution to look at here. What if those 2 bars are in the same spot? Well, how many ways are there for those 2 bars to be in the same spot? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 different combinations we can get where we have 0 oatmeal cookies. Now, we could have done that on our calculator as 7 choose 1, because essentially by combining those 2 bars, we've turned it into 1 bar, or we could just looked at the possibilities. Either way, there are 7 possibilities of having 0 oatmeal cookies. So there are 21 possibilities where we have more than 1 oatmeal cookie, and 7 possibilities where we have 0 oatmeal cookies. So altogether, we have 28 possible combinations of those 3 cookies, which is our answer D. Thank you very much for watching our video today. Please tune in for the rest of the week as we go through more AMC 10 questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.